Holly McKhann here with my clients Dusty and Patrick. I recently helped them sell a home and buy a new one, which was a bit of a tricky, complicated situation, but they got through it. And I just wanted them to share a little bit about their experience working with me. Patrick?
So I was referred by a friend from high school and met Holly, and it was pretty quick and pretty easy as far as getting to know her and feeling really comfortable. Um, Send a text message, send a voice message, and immediately got responses. I mean, like literally immediately. And if she was busy on the other line, she would send a text message during that conversation with somebody else or another client. So it felt to me like we were her only clients, which was great. So immediate responses, like I said, it was quick and painless as far as selling our home. She gave us advice on how to kind of declutter our house because it was very personalized to our taste. And once it was decluttered, she didn't need to really stage it because she kind of just staged with what we already had. And it sold fairly quickly, probably because the season, the market, the way it was going. And then from there, we decided, hey, we need to find a house now. So what better way, since we felt really comfortable with her and Scott, her husband, we said, let's find a house. So we started searching for houses. She was flooding my email with a bunch of like houses to look at. And lo and behold, we found one in Corona. Scott drove us like places like at the drop of a hat. He just had no problems finding houses with us, looking for houses with us. And lo and behold, we ended up finding a house. Holly was great as far as like giving us a tour and making suggestions of, what to do. This is like a first time as far as I've purchased a brand new cut and paste home that was a model track home. So this house, we would be the second owners, and she dealt with the current owner that was in the house very eloquently because she really didn't want it, since she was a first time purchaser, buyer as well, and selling her home. She was a little bit, what do you say, like kind of like gun shy, sensitive as far as like,
Yes.
who's going to purchase her next home. So we were able to meet with her as well, and it was a great process. And Holly was kind of the buffer in between, so we didn't have to really get involved with a lot of the details with the current owner. So other than that, I mean, it was amazing. This whole ordeal. We've been out of the house for about 2 months, but we're completely renovating the current house in Corona that we purchased, and she hooked us up with other, ideas, people, to help us out in this process. So it's been really a great, amazing experience.
Well, thank you. Congratulations to you guys.
Thank
I'm very
you.
excited for you, and I can't wait to see the house when it's all done.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.